Hello students, let me resume on fast Fourier transformation algorithms. Today in this video session I will be discussing about DIF algorithm, equation derivation. Okay, you have already solved very important things which are required. You know how to put the full flow diagram for DIF algorithm, but I had not derived the equation. Okay, I wanted to give you the concept of or the derivation of DIF algorithm equation. Let me do that in this session. Okay. See, you know the basic or fundamental equation for DFT, that is x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n wn raised to kn. This is the fundamental equation. Let us divide this equation into two parts. That is first half part and next half part. That's all. Whereas in DIT you had derived it as even and odd part. Now what you are doing? First half and next half. That means n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1. That is n by 2 minus 1 x of n wn raised to kn plus n is equal to n by 2 to n is equal to n minus 1. Okay, I hope you understood what I am doing here. I am just dividing the above equation into two parts, first half and the next half, second half, continuously. Okay, that's what I am doing in DIF algorithm. Now in the second part, whatever you observe here, let us put instead of n, let us put it as n into n plus n by 2. Second term substitute instead of n plus n by 2. What happens anyway? The first term will be like that only. Summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n wn raised to kn plus here what I am doing, instead of n I am writing it as n plus n by 2. If I wrote like that, no, what happens here? Instead of n I am writing n plus n by 2 is equal to n by 2, n plus n by 2 is equal to n minus 1 x of n plus n by 2 wn raised to k n plus n by 2. That's all. Now continuing, first term there is no change, n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n wn raised to kn plus here you see n by 2 goes to other side, hence it becomes n is equal to 0. Correct? N is equal to 0. N by 2 goes to the other side, n minus n by 2, hence n becomes equal to again n by 2 minus 1. Now x of n plus n by 2, x of n plus n by 2 wn raised to kn multiplied by wn raised to kn by 2. Okay, now this wn raised to kn by 2, if you put the cos and sine equation, it gives you a special thing, that is wn raised to kn by 2 is nothing but it is minus 1 raised to k. If you take this n by 2 to the other side and put sine and cos equation, because wn raised to kn by 2 means it is a cos and sine, e raised to minus j 2 pi by n, isn't it? If you derive that, you will get minus 1 raised to k. Now if I put this here, everything becomes like this. Summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n wn raised to kn plus this is a constant now. This is a constant in the sense it depends on the k value, minus 1 raised to k, minus 1 raised to k, summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n plus n by 2 wn raised to kn, correct? Wn raised to kn. Now this wn raised to kn is common, you can keep it outside. N is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n, and similarly this also n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 is also common, correct? X of n plus minus 1 raised to k x of n plus n by 2 n by 2 outside wn raised to kn, wn raised to kn. This is what is the equation we have come out with. Okay, you can take it as equation 2. This is my first basic equation, equation 2. Now this is the equation which I have derived out for x of k, x of k. Nothing special with this equation, but what I will do, I will just derive out k into even and odd points. Let us divide x of k into even and odd. When k becomes even, when k becomes equal to 2k, isn't it? K, when you are replacing it with 2k, it becomes even. Hence what I do? Even values of x of k, even x of k, even x of k. How I'll do that? X of 2k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n plus minus 1 raised to k. But what is this 2k? Because 2k means even. Minus 1 raised to even value is always 1. Hence this gives me the value which is 1. Okay. Next, x of n plus n by 2 whole outside wn raised to k means 2k, even value 2kn. But you know that wn raised to 2k can be brought as 2 wn raised to n by 2, correct? Hence this can be given as summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n plus, why plus? Because this has given me 1 only the value, x of n plus n by 2 whole raised to wn by 2. Why I brought this n by 2? I have explained in your DITX algorithm. This n 2 is brought to the denominator of n, wn by 2 raised to kn, kn. Now if you see this and x of 2k, if you see this and analyze this, we have started with original equation. I got this equation 2, and in that also I have derived out even value. Even value means what? It is only half of the DFT, and of that which value? X of n plus x of n plus n by 2. I will derive out what exactly is this, but you keep this as equation 3. Now let us find odd value for x of k or odd x of k. Odd x of k means what? K you are replacing with 2k plus 1. K you are replacing with 2k plus 1. Hence x of 2k plus 1 or the odd value is given by my equation 2 only, actual equation 2 only, in that n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n plus minus 1 raised to, here you see odd value. Anyway, you remember that this is an odd value. 2k plus 1 means odd value. Minus 1 raised to odd value is always minus 1. Anyway, multiplied by x of n plus n by 2 whole outside wn raised to k. K means 2k plus 1 raised to outside n. Right. Now this is given by summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n minus, as I told you, this gives me nothing but minus 1, okay, minus 1 minus x of n plus n by 2 whole outside w n raised to 2kn. In that 2kn, 2 I brought to the denominator, hence it became n by 2 raised to kn multiplied by wn raised to this n, wn raised to n. This is equation 4. This is equation 4. Now I have having all the equations here. I will try to accumulate or put the algorithm, first order decimation of DIF algorithm here only. You know the full flow diagram, correct? But this is the equation which is leading towards the full flow diagram. Let me put, whether it is possible, let me put in a very short here the concept I will tell you with the flow diagram for first order, okay? Because whatever space is there, I will try to put it. Four, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Now DIF algorithm. What happens is, here it comes serially: x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7. Correct? Then what happens? I will be using x of n plus x of n plus n by 2. What is n by 2? N by 2 means here n is 8, hence it is 4. What I do, I will just put here the flow diagram. You will understand, first order decimation flow diagram. I just put the first order. You know that the long butterfly comes in the starting, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. You see now, let us compare with the equation. x0 plus x4. What is the meaning here? It leads you towards the even number. x0 plus x4 means equation 3. x0 plus x4. That's what is happening here. Then x1 plus x5. Okay, x1 plus x5. That means if you put n is equal to 1 here, n is equal to 1 and n by 2 is 4. Hence next is x1 plus x5. That's what is happening here. The first half, whatever is there, no, that leads you towards 4-point DFT of, here it leads you to 4-point DFT. 4-point DFT. Next, whatever you are doing here, you know, I will just show you what is happening. 4-point DFT. What is happening here? See, x0 minus x4. According to which equation it is? x0 minus x4. According to equation 4. Right? But that equation 4, whatever is there, no, that says that you have to multiply by Twiddle factor. That's what I am doing here. W80, W81, W82, W83. And after that you will find 4-point DFTs and 4-point DFTs. You will get the output here. That output is nothing but decimation in frequency. Try to understand, decimation in frequency first order. First order. That means what? x0 comes here. Then comes x2. Okay. x4. Then x6. x1. x3. x5. And x7. This is the first order. If you again decimate this with 4-point DFT in the same manner, you will get the full flow diagram. Correct? That already you know. Correct? You have done that. You have solved a lot of problems on DIF algorithms, full flow diagram. Next comes 4-point Twiddle factor, and last 2-point crisscross. That you will finalize the DIF algorithm. But this is the theory behind the derivation of DIF algorithm. Okay, just know about the theory and this equation. I shall not say that problematically this is important equation, but you know how to solve DIF algorithm full flow diagram problems. I want you to be very perfect with that, but this is how the theory behind DIF algorithm exists. I hope you understood. If any doubts are there, you can contact me. Very simple. You are taking DFT equation, first half and next half you are deriving, and then you are leading to equation 3 and 4, which gives you first order flow diagram. Okay. Thank you for this, and just message me if you are having any doubts on DIF algorithm equation derivations. Okay. Thank you.